Hey everybody, it's your girl Urban Farm Sister. So today is day 2 of the Self-Sufficiency Challenge. Today we're going to talk about understanding seed packets. So have you ever purchased a packet of seeds and just didn't understand some of the language and some of the information that was on the back of there? Well, today I'm going to show you how to understand how to navigate a seed packet. Because all that information on those, if they do have it, is very important to the survivability of your plants. So here's a seed packet we're going to go over. We're going to use as an example today. It is Burpee. The company is Burpee. There's hundreds of different seed companies out there. Some are better than others with providing information on their seed packets. But this one provides pretty much a lot of information that you will need to make sure that you grow your crop successfully. So when you look at the back of the seed packet, what you're going to notice is there's a lot of different things. There's a map, there's some information, there is some harvesting information, sun, things like that. So in this case, in our example, we'll be growing summer squash, Black Beauty. It gives you the name, the variety, and things like that. Then below that, it'll give you a description of what your harvested plant or fruit, leaves, whatever you're going to be harvesting will look like. It'll give you a description of what the plant looks like and things like that. And this packet itself gives you very vague information about planting your seeds. When you see the word sow, that means to plant your seeds. So you can sow these particular seeds in the ground, but sometimes you can start seeds indoors depending on the type of plant. And if it needs to be started indoors because it has a long growth season, it'll tell you that as well. Also on the seed packet, you see this map at the bottom. So this map is telling you when you should plant these seeds based off the time of year it is. This is very important that you know your USDA zone, which zone you live in, because basically this information is telling you you should plant these seeds after the last frost. So if you don't know when your last frost is or have an estimate around when your last frost is, you may be starting your seeds too early, and then what will happen is a frost will come in and it'll wipe everything out. So this map shows you when these seeds can go outside. Now this is going to vary for every plant. It's not just specific for all plants. It's just for this particular plant. It's telling you, like if you live in the green area, it tells you that you can put these things out during a certain time frame, versus if you live in the orange area, you're going to put them out at a different time frame. Also on the other side of the seed packet, you will see that there is a it'll say full sun, so many days to harvest. So that days to harvest number, that's after the seed has been planted and has sprouted and has started to grow. Within that time frame, you should be able to harvest your crop at the end of that time frame if you are growing the thing or the plant properly. So if it's getting proper nutrition, it's getting proper watering, the right sun, it's in an environment that is conducive for it to grow, then you should be able to harvest your crop at that particular time or around that time frame that it has on the seed packet. It also tells you spacing of the plant. And then there's another little image down here that says container friendly. So if you see that on the seed packet, that lets you know that this plant can be grown in a container. Not all plants can grow in a container though. So you need to make sure the plant you're trying to grow is going to be able to grow in a container. Not every seed packet is going to give you this information. So again, it's very important that you research your plants. Like for instance, for this example, these are some cucumber seeds. This is the back of the seed packet. It gives you nothing. It just tells you that it's cucumber. The front gives you nothing. I've grown numerous plants, so I'm very aware of how long it's going to take for a cucumber to grow, the requirements for the cucumber to grow in, and things like that. But if somebody's new and they're just learning how to do this type of seed packet would be very intimidating because it's not giving you any type of information. So again, this is where you're going to have to research, or you're going to have to contact someone that's an expert at growing things, so they can give you that proper information to get these things started and growing. All right. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, you can send me a direct message or you can email me at nadiaruffin@agricademyinc.org. And tomorrow, day 3, we're going to talk about some of the equipment and supplies that you need to actually start your seeds. All right. Bye.